Hello everyone, welcome back to DK Spoken English classes. So guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. I hope you are learning this language right Google. Actually, I am making mistake. Please forgive me. Okay, I would like to say you. Okay, I hope you doing well. I hope you are learning this language at good level. So, so guys. Actually, I am learning English. I am Dinesh Kumar. I like to read books, watching videos every single day. Actually, I am fond of speaking English. Okay, my goal. Okay, I want to speak English very, very fluently. So, guys, if you want to really speak English, then you have to join with me, and you also practice with me. And actually you don't have partner, okay, so please don't worry. And you are a weak student, and you are thinking how I start to speak English, okay, so please don't worry and try to speak yourself, okay. Actually listen to me. Actually, I don't have any partner, I don't have any friend, okay, to talk English, okay. So what can I do, guys? Actually, if actually what can I do now? So actually, everybody have a mirror. Okay, so actually I go to my room and I stand in front of the mirror, just a mirror, and I am talking to myself. Hello everyone, I am Dinesh Kumar. I am learning English. Okay, I am learning English. Okay, and this is my room, and there are so many things. Keep here. You can see such as books, TV, okay, bag, fan. There are different types of bulb, okay. So guys, actually for speaking English, what uh, what will have to do, okay. So guys, I have to speak English, okay. And please don't worry, please, actually, please don't worry. I am going to tell you important things. Don't be afraid, don't be shy, okay. Just your improve your English, okay. So I also make mistake, but actually I never give up. I don't listen what did people say. Okay, actually I every day uploaded a video on YouTube channel. Okay, so you are new, and then you go and watch my videos. Okay, so one thing, guys. So I'm not afraid to speaking English, and don't be shy. Okay, wherever I am, okay, I am first of all thinking in English. But when I am thinking English, okay, that time it is difficult to me. Okay, it is difficult to me. But please, 2 days, 3 days continue. You okay? You think in English, then your mind is automatic speaking English very fluently. Okay, guys. So actually, you are my new viewer. Okay, suppose that you are my friend. Okay, so if you really want to speak English, if you really want to speak English, then what will have to do? You have to uh, join with DK Spoken English classes, and please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends every day. Okay, and sometime what will have to do? Okay, sometime you have to just you should take a copy, and every day remember, every day learn 5 word meanings. Okay, just a simple word meaning: what, where, how, when, why not, what for, something, nothing. Okay, just whose, which, okay, these are, you have to learn every day five word meanings, okay. And actually you know that I am every day read, I read a books every day. Okay, I listen to English cartoon every day. Actually, I speak English in front of the mirror every day. Okay, I don't have friend, bro. Still, still I am practicing English. Actually, I live in a small village, and my native language is Bhojpuri. Okay, actually all the people is speaking Bhojpuri. Okay, but I live in a small village. Still, I am learning English. Why? Because 1 minute, please. Okay. Why? Because I have already discussed about. So actually, English is an international language. English is spoken all over the world. Okay, and now I'm going to show you. This is my whiteboard. Okay, actually, I teach the tuition here. You can see the background. I think my actually this room is very beautiful. Okay, and this is a blackboard, and this is my light. You can see light here. Okay, and oh my god, what happening in my phone? Okay, and this is mercury. Okay, and you can see what today I have taught some uses. So guys, to improve your English, what should you do? Firstly, you must focus on your grammar. Many YouTuber, yeah, many people, yeah, many teacher advise you that grammar is not important for speaking English. But actually, I do not, I do not want to advise you that grammar is not important. Okay, guys. So I think I would like to tell you grammar is most important because actually we born in Hindi medium either Bhojpuri medium we born in. But we are not born in America. We born in just Indian. Okay. Actually, suppose that you don't know tense, then I hope you can't speak English very fluently. So firstly, what is time now? Time is four. Time. Let me see the time. Two, three, 3:20. Actually, guys, and I am. I was looking time because I have to also go to teach tuition, home tuition. Okay, so I teach tuition, home tuition, bro. So, what did I say, bro? I'm forgetting. I have forgotten. Please remind me. Yes, grammar, just tense. Tense is most important, bro. Tense, without tense, you cannot speak English. Present, past, and future. Revision, please. 70% is tense. Present. I read. I am reading. I have read. I have been reading since morning. Okay. So again and again, my screen. Okay, mobile camera is the light is very less. So again and again going, and then our light is increased. So guys, tense is most important, and I already, I have already taught you some important rule. Some important uses such as should, need, want, wanted. Okay, and fond of, able to, just has, have, and had, and has to, have to, and will have to. Okay, and want to, want, wanted, want to, wanted to. Okay, okay. So I hope you're understanding, and so please, if you want to speak English, then you have to follow four rules: speaking, reading, listening, and writing. Speaking, if you have gone anywhere, you are going anywhere, just a garden, just anywhere in alone. That time, what can you do? You start speaking English in yourself. Don't search. Don't need to pattern. I said you actually you are going anywhere. Suppose suppose I am going to the garden alone. Actually, though, if I go to garden, so imagine in your mind what comes your mind. Please speak. Don't stop. Oh my God, I'm speaking wrong. Okay, whatever comes your mind, please speak. Just like there are different types of plants. This plant is very beautiful. This plant is a very big. This is a mango tree. Oh my God! In this garden, there are so many animals live in the garden. Okay, and you know that plant give us oxygen. Plant is everywhere. Plant is around us. So we should more and more plant, more and more plant. We should more and more plant trees. Where we get fruits from plants. Okay, we get fruit from plants. So actually, my friends, actually I am not a good speaker, but actually I am every day learning English and I'm not stopping. I know I am making a lot of mistakes. Still I am speaking English. Okay, I'm freedom, bro. I born in India and I'm freedom. Actually, I'm not going to abuse anyone. I'm not going to kill anyone. Just I am learning English. So what happened, bro? If I speaking English, then what happened? Every teacher advise you, okay, my dear student. Firstly, you will start speaking English. Don't afraid. Oh my God, I can make mistakes. Actually, practice man make perfect. If you do not practice, if you do not speak, then how can you speak English very fluently? You are not able to speak English. If you do not speak, I think you are not able to speak English. You could not speak single sentence. So please speak and what? Please speak. And you know that there are so many women sitting there, and he actually they look at me. Okay, what are they doing? Okay, yes, coming. And my yes, coming, bro. And yes, coming. He's the yes, okay, yes, he's coming, bro. Come, bro. And actually, you can see yes, is my brother. Yes, come here, please. Come here, come, yes. Actually, I know that he is my smaller brother. I love him so much. Yes, brother. Dekho. Actually, he is my yes, brother. And Malu is also come. Malu, you come also. Come, bro. And you can say hi, bolo, hi, बोलो भैया के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बोलो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बोलो. And one brother is also coming. Let me. Oh yes. Oh, and both have देखो his name is Yash Kumar, his name is Malu Kumar. They are laughing. बोलो कि भैया को चैनल को आप लोग सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. बाय बोलो, बाय, हाय बोलो, हाय, हाथ हिलाओ, हाथ हिलाओ. यस, भैया को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बोलो को वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए. ओ कहो मल्लू, मल्लू. Go and now you can see. Actually, they are my small brother. I love you so much. And his name is Malu Kumar. Again, he's coming. Okay, you can see he is a smaller brother, right? And he is very naughty boy. They actually, I gave him every day chocolate. He eats chocolates. He like chocolate. So every day he eat chocolates. I bring chocolate from market. Okay. Mm. Bible, 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 the Bible, Bible, Bible. Bolo is हाथ हिला. हाथ हिला दो, हाथ हिला दो, हिला दो हाथ ऐसे, हाथ हिला दो, हिला. Go, 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 Malu, go.